Affiliate marketing tips that provide more power for your business. In today's difficult economy, many people are turning to affiliate marketing as a way to make some good money. The key to succeeding as an affiliate marketer is knowledge and education. It is necessary to learn about the best affiliate marketing strategies and apply this knowledge to your business. The following video contains some good affiliate marketing tips to help you get started. Do not panic if you see sales conversions numbers that are only around 1%. If you're holding out for higher than that as an affiliate, you may be holding out indefinitely. 1 out of every 100 visitors turning into a customer is actually a great conversion rate for most products, especially with larger, more popular services that receive thousands of visitors per day. If you want to get paid quickly, you should select an affiliate company that offers you different payment options. Some affiliate companies will only mail a check for payment to you after you have reached a predetermined dollar amount. Others will pay you through direct deposit or other payment methods such as PayPal and Alert Pay. Look into the payment structure of any affiliate program you are considering. Some offer a lifetime payout, while others offer a limited payout, such as per sale, or 30 to 90 days. Make sure that you are able to frequently check your balance to learn how much you are owed and how much has been paid out. As was stated in the beginning of this video, in today's troublesome economic times, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money. The way to succeed as an affiliate marketer is to educate yourself on the subject and learn the best and most effective affiliate marketing strategies. Apply the advice from this video and you'll be on your way to making big money as an affiliate marketer. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.